Hey guys, this is Arav and you're watching Arav Tech. So in this video I am come back for the video for the Project Sakura ROM for my Redmi Note 10, and it's the best ROM. I can compare it directly with it to Pixel Experience ROM. I have installed this month Pixel Experience ROM, but it is very lagful and not good. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So it's my Redmi Note 10 and it is running on Project Sakura ROM. As you can see, this everything from here you can customize it. First, let me start with the Antutu scores of this ROM, and let me cancel it. And these are its Antutu score. It is a significantly improved score from the Pixel Experience ROM to this ROM. As you can see, this there is 96,752 scores assigned to CPU, and they have assigned 42,606 scores to GPU. And here is the battery drop of 3% and 3.9 degrees Celsius in temperature. You can get all the details from the here of your device. I have also run the storage test and the results are too good. You can see this. These are the scores of the Antutu, and let me tell you about the DRM info. This ROM is not pre-rooted ROM, and it's having the support of Wide by L1, so you can consider to watch your movies, shows, web series in full HD without any issues. I have tried with Amazon Prime and there is no issue with it. Let me take to you the Geekbench, and the Geekbench scores are improved. As I can tell you, these are the Geekbench scores. It has a single core with 519 and multi-core 342. You can see this, the how good quality scores they have assigned to the ROM. And yeah, you also got the ANX camera support on this. One major thing for the gamers, guys who plays games very tough on budget smartphones, and it's the result for the gamers are, let me see you, totaling result of this Redmi Note 10. I have get blanked my mind when I saw these results, because with MIUI 12.5 this phone doesn't performs like this without any throttling. No CPU throttling detected. You can see the max G and minimum and average performance, and I have also not seen this type of performance with the Pixel Experience ROM. As you can see this, it has no lag while and the phone temperature not gets too much heated at this time. You can see this, and this is the screenshot for my Airtel and Jio same speed test. I got this similar speed with my Airtel SIM, so there is no issue with the network. And here you can get the Android 12 clock look in this ROM, and here it is writing that charging slowly, but it happens when our phone is charged up to 90%. After 90% our phone gets charging slowly, so there is no issue with that. And let me take to you the settings. First, let me start from the NX camera. After that we forward to settings. Here you can use 48 megapixels. 48 megapixel does work with the phone. As you can see this, let me click a photo, and here you can use the zoom slider, but it doesn't work, it is useless. And let me take the photo, and you can see this 48 megapixel, and you can see the quality of, let me increase the brightness, photo, so it can capture 48 megapixel photos. And let me go to more. You can use night mode, it works without any issue. Short video, sometimes it creates a lag, but it works. As you can see this, it works, so it's done. It works. As you can see this, vlog, it is trying to update and it's updating, and you have to do the settings for the vlog. And sometimes this happens, camera error, so you have to make sure you don't use the options which does not support it with this ANX camera. So let me open it again, and time lapse is working, no issue. 1 second. Slow motion video does support at 720p 960 fps with no issues at all. Photo, here is all the options available for us. Voice shutter, macro lens does supporting with no issues. Macro lens does work sometimes, but it creates a lag. You can see this. Sometimes macro photos were working and sometimes doesn't. So you can see this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't works. On the other hand, you can go to settings and choose according to your use. Ultra wide angle camera doesn't work in this ROM. You have to install Google camera on this. Flash works, as you can see this. HDR works. AI according to use. Pro colors, it does work. You can see the color shifting of this video. Does support up to 4K 30 fps. Macro video also. Pro mode, it does work. And let me go move forward to the settings. So from the notification panel, let me go to the settings, and here sometimes unable to, you also can enable to watch sometimes various settings. First I will tell you, for the networks all the things were correctly working, no issue. Wi-Fi, mobile network, Airtel, Jio, SIM, Geo calling, everything working. Yeah, you want to use your call recording. First you have to enable and beta developer mode from your phone app, and after you give a restart to your phone and it will work. Hotspot and tethering always works, no issue with it. Bluetooth connected, I used my this Petron Buds Plus and it's very good earphones that works correctly, no issues. Apps and notifications, normal things. Default apps, by default you not getting Pixel Launcher. And this ROM is based from Lineage OS. Battery, you can see this. I have charged my phone day before yesterday and at full 100 night, and I used my phone yesterday fully, and today I have not used my phone, but my battery is 39%. So yeah, it is very powerful ROM in terms of battery saving. Styles and display, dark theme, turn on now. You can see the dark theme. You can select the type of dark theme, as you can see here. I don't want to use dark theme, so I have sometimes don't use it. Live display, you can calibrate your display, that like I have calibrated. You should have to calibrate your display, otherwise your screen looks like yellowish. There is no wallpaper assigned from the Google wallpapers, as you can see this. No Google wallpaper. Style, default, guide, you can choose your guide. Clock, you can get Android all the types of dot clock, many other types of Android S, like that I have selected here. Android S look, as you can see this. Rotate setting, you can rotate your device according to you. And let me lower down the brightness. Color, boosted, natural, according to you. Font size, font, yeah, here you can use many types of fonts which are given here. Like I have selected this, and you can see this font. Full screen apps, I can't see by using this fonts, so let me apply to font. Tap to wake, all the things which I have enabled, it does works, no issue with that. Sound, media volume, call volume, notification, all the things. Show media player in the quick settings does work, no issue with it. I have having 64 GB variant and it runs very finely. Location is turned off, I have already turned off. Security, screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock, you will getting this type of 3x3, 4x4, 6x6 pattern options, like here, like I have set it like this. You can face unlock, does work, no issue. App locker is there, it works. Sakura configs interface, you can use here. There is many options enabled for you. Volume, panel, style, like I have selected AOSP, but you can use according to you. Battery bar, in the status bar you can see this. Interface, I have already. Quick settings, you can arrange your quick settings. Quick settings opacity, you can increase your opacity of your quick settings, as you can see this, and if you do this it will change to fully white. Yeah, ambient display and always on display does work. I will tell you where it is. Data usage, you can see this rows and columns, you know already. Here is one interesting thing and one new thing that I have saw in custom rooms. Add header, you can enable your custom image, like here you can see this, there is a custom image running, so you can consider it easily. And for the lock screen charging info, like how many voltage and how many watts it is checking in. Screen off animation, like I have selected CRT and it goes like that. And scale, you can see this how it works. Power menu, gestures, 3-finger gestures you can enable from here. Lineage part, from here you can also use the Lineage OS part sometimes, because it's based on Lineage OS. Software updates, I think it will get software updates with the updater app, but I don't think so. To use this updater you have to flash cleanly. You have to flash, if you want to flash this ROM, you have to consider the same process which you have to done for the Pixel Experience ROM. But there is another method. You have to first install boot file for it, which is loss recovery, and after that I will give the link in the description and on my Telegram channel, from where you can go to my Telegram channel and get my all the links from there. Android version 11, as you can see this how fluid it is. Project Sakura 5 August 2021. ASHWIN is the maintainer for it. You can see this where the, and it is very fluid, as you can see this, and it's very fluid. So guys, thanks for watching my videos, and this is the always on display. If you ask me, does it works? Yeah, it works, and you get Android 12 like look from in the always on display, so there is no issue. So guys, till then, bye, subscribe, please my channel, and till then, bye bye.